Ever feel like your to-do list has morphed into a terrifying monster, constantly growing and threatening to devour your precious time? Yeah, us too. That's where productivity apps like ClickUp and Notion come in, promising to be the organizational knight in shining armor that slays the to-do list dragon. But with both boasting impressive features and passionate followings, choosing between them can feel like picking a favorite child. Assuming you have two productivity apps that are your children, which might be concerning. Fear not, fellow warriors against the chaos. This video will be your ultimate guide to ClickUp versus Notion, dissecting their strengths, weaknesses, and ideal users. By the end, you'll know exactly which app will become your champion in the fight for productivity dominance. Round 1. Functionality. ClickUp's arsenal versus Notion's Swiss Army knife. ClickUp throws everything but the kitchen sink at productivity. We're talking tasks, lists, Kanban boards, calendars, mind maps, docs, and even a built-in chat function. It's like a productivity buffet. You can pick and choose the features that suit your workflow. Notion, on the other hand, takes a more streamlined approach. It excels at creating beautiful, customizable wiki-style pages that can house anything from project plans to meeting notes to your next great novel. Hey, we don't judge your side hustles. While it offers task management features, they're not as robust as ClickUp's. So who wins this round? It depends. If you're a project manager or freelancer juggling multiple tasks and clients, ClickUp's versatility might be your jam. But if you crave a clean, flexible workspace for all your ideas and projects, Notion could be your perfect match. Round 2. Collaboration teamwork makes the dream work, or not. Working with a team, ClickUp shines here. It offers seamless task assignment, real-time collaboration on docs, and robust commenting features. Plus, it allows for setting permissions and keeping everyone on the same page, literally, with its shared workspace functionality. Notion's collaboration features are decent, but not quite on ClickUp's level. While you can share pages and work together on documents, it can feel a bit clunky compared to ClickUp's smoother flow. Round 3. Learning curve steeper than Mount Everest or gentle slope. ClickUp's interface might take a bit longer to master. With all its features, there's definitely a learning curve. However, ClickUp offers plenty of tutorials and resources to help you navigate its depths. Notion boasts a cleaner, more intuitive interface. It's easier to pick up and run with, making it a great choice for beginners or those who just want to jump right in. Round 4. Price. How much does peak productivity cost? Both ClickUp and Notion offer free plans with limited features. ClickUp's free plan is more generous for individual users, while Notion excels for basic team collaboration. Paid plans unlock the full potential of both apps, with ClickUp generally being slightly more expensive. The final verdict: there is no one true king or queen of productivity. The truth is, both ClickUp and Notion are fantastic tools. The best choice for you depends on your specific needs and workflow. Here's a quick cheat sheet to help you decide. Choose ClickUp if you're a project manager, freelancer, or need robust task management with advanced features. Choose Notion if you crave a beautiful, flexible workspace for all your ideas and projects, prioritize a clean interface, or are just starting out with productivity apps. Remember, the most important thing is to find a tool that helps you conquer your to-do list and achieve your goals. So why not give both ClickUp and Notion a try? They both have free plans, after all. See which one sparks joy, yes, we're going there, and helps you slay that productivity dragon once and for all. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.